Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are doing good. So children, as you know, we were doing the story Will the Boat Float? So today we will be doing the vocabulary words from the story Will the Boat Float? So I will be reading the words. You have to read the words after me. Okay? Okay, then let's start. So children, these are the vocabulary words from the story. So now I am going to read the words from list 1. Okay, let's start. All. A-L-L. All. Get. G-E-T. Get. Now. N-O-W. Now. Out. O-U-T. Out. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. Go. G-O. Go. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Here. H-E-R-E. Here. Into. I-N-T-O. Into. Say. S-A-Y. Say. Okay, now we are going to read from list 2. Let's start. Must. M-U-S-T. Must. City. C-I-T-Y. City. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Will. W-I-L-L. Will. Next. N-E-X-T. Next. Now we are going to read from list 3. Float. F-L-O-A-T. Float. Sink. S-I-N-K. Sink. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. Cross. C-R-O-O-S. Cross. River. R-I-V-E-R. River. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. So, children, these are the vocabulary words from the story. So, you have to practice these vocabulary words, okay? So, you have to write these vocabulary words on a paper like I have written. then you have to practice it daily. Sometime I may ask you in your online class. Okay? So, take a screenshot of these vocabulary words and do practice it in your home. Okay? And now let's see. I have a home fun activity for you. Children, so your today's home fun activity is you have to read the book. So, you have completed reading up to your reading up to this page, right? You have read the book up to this page. So today you have to read this page, and this page. Okay? So these 3 pages are your home fun activity for today. So read it and give it to me. Okay? Okay children, that's all for today. See you in our next class. Take care. Bye.